All right, here we go. First, I want to say hello, Mr. Mike, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video today. My name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions, and the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company or your business online through Google. There are three key factors that come into play when you want to rank with Google and get yourself on the front page for exposure. You want content, backlinks, and citations. Now understand content is relevant to keywords that get put into the search bar here. So every time you type something here, Google uses that to find a website that best fits the search criteria. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords, and then Google categorizes these websites based on their content through the search engine, optimization, SEO, and their content. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. This right here, obviously this is the map, and ranking here is with citations, name, address, phone number, as it would directly reflect your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in the map. It's extremely important to be seen here. A lot of people go through the maps. Something near me could be auto repair near me, and you want to be seen here. Directories like Yelp, Angie's, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages is what helps you get here. Everything underneath this map is what's considered the organic search through content and backlinks and keywords. So for example, I typed in auto repair, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because that's where you're out of. But I don't see you on the first page. There's a lot of, let's see, we got number one here, we got Mr. Larry, but then we have Yelp, advertisement, we have AAA, that's national, 10 best auto mechanics, that's not specific, tire shops, and then we get down to advertisements. So I went ahead and I picked Larry's Auto. So let me show you how this works. So I have your website, and I have Ahrefs, a tool here that shows me what's going on behind the scenes with your website. Now, like I said, you want backlinks and content as well as citations. Now, backlinks are directly connected to the referring domains that you have. So you have a total number of unique domains linked to you, and you're picking up 463 backlinks from that. It's a number of links from other websites pointing back to you. It's like an endorsement from another website, and Google uses that to trust your business. Looks like you have 28 keywords, and you're getting about 6 a month in traffic. Now, when we take a look at Larry's Auto Clinic and why he's on the first page, I can put him into the same tool. I can see that he's got 966 backlinks off his 20 domains, and he's got 489 keywords that he's using, and he's getting 119 a month in traffic on an average from his keywords. So let's take a look here. Let's just get a little gander. Keywords for you and how much volume per month that they see. So auto repair, North Myrtle Beach, auto repair, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 60, Myrtle Beach auto repair, again, another 150, Motor Beach, towing Myrtle Beach, towing companies, towing Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So you understand how that works. Let's take a look over here and see what he's got going on for keywords, give you a better idea. Aside from his name, I know we do have keywords like RV engine repair, car repair, his shop, Larry, auto repair, Myrtle Beach, RV transmission. I'm not sure exactly what that's supposed to mean, but it's 250 times a month it gets searched. This is a lot of exposure. AC repair, Myrtle Beach, that's 70 more people exposed. Auto conditioning repair, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, there's another 10. Cheap auto AC repair, 90. Auto AC repair near me, cheap, 30. And the list goes on for his keywords and his exposure for the next 10 pages. So this is generating a lot of eyes on him, and that is ranking him up on the first page, right along with his backlinks and his citations. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Now, mind you, you don't want a referring website from an ice cream shop talking about you, because it isn't as strong as a referring auto repair facility referring to you. See what I'm saying? So, but looks like some keywords and some content really play a role in getting you up on the first page. And hopefully you can appreciate, get a better idea or an understanding of how all of this comes together, and Google builds trust within you and starts seeing you being recognized more often than not. This way you get seen up on the front. And of course, that generates, customers, more clientele, more people. So hopefully you can understand that or appreciate a little bit of the time that I spent here. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. If you find yourself wanting some more information, we could talk. I could find out what would be realistic for you or what your goals were looking for moving forward with your business. Again, I wanted to thank you and have a nice day. Appreciate it.